Hi all, this is Nareen from Learn Digital Academy, and today we are going to start off-page topic about SEO. So let's start this topic. As we have already gone through on-page SEO, keyword research, that how to do keywords, how to finalize keyword, and how to use in the on-page SEO, how to use in the website. Now let's start the off-page and why the off-page is important for SEO purpose. So all these points we are going to understand in this topic. So let's start it. Okay, so first of all we'll understand what is off-page SEO. As we know that on-page SEO means on the page we have to make some changes, we have to make the website better, then only Google will rank it, because Google wants better website only for their user. Now what is off-page? If you are doing on-page on the website and the website is still not ranking, let's say the website is ranking, it was ranking on 30 position or 40 position, but you have started on-page, so Google rank your website on maybe 5th location, 6th location of the first page, or maybe 9th location of the first page, but still you want to rank on the first position of the search engine result page, and it's not happening. So now you will start off-page SEO. In off-page SEO, we don't make some changes in the website, it's outside of the website, as it says the name, according to name, off-page, of the page. So what generally we do in this one, so as a definition, if we go according to definition, it says off-page SEO refers to all things you can do outside of your website to help you improve SERP positions, link building, forum, influencer. Like for example, these are all examples only. So the thing is, if other websites, if giving you a vote to your website, definitely your website will going to rank at the higher positions. So let's see, off-page is a link building process. It means we need to receive link for our website from other website. As I told you already, if other website will give you a vote to you, then definitely Google will rank your website. In this process, we build link for our website that we want to rank. Next point is backlink can be generally what we consider as a backlink. In technical knowledge, technical language, we call it backlinks. It means if some other website is giving you a backlink to your website, it's giving you a vote to your website, that we consider as a backlink. Now there are two kind of backlinks. One is no follow backlink, another one is do follow backlink. No follow and do follow we will understand in later part. Let's see next. Let's take an example over here. What happens in on-page SEO or off-page SEO. So on-page SEO means in the website, for example, this is your website and this is gym website, bodybuilding website, fine. And you want to rank the website in Google first position. So what you do in this website, you will make some changes. You will use some images in this one. You will use some content in this one. And then you will make the website better so that people can come to this website and they can see all these options, all this feature, all the navigations, and whatever they are coming for, they will get it in this website. So that is we call on-page SEO. On the page you are making some changes and Google will rank it if your website is better compared to other websites. Now if it is still not ranking, then what you can do, you can get some backlinks, get some votes from other websites. Other websites should be related to this only. Like this is the gym website or bodybuilding website. So you want to rank the website. What are you going to do first now? So you will ask other people, means other websites which is related to your website, like gym website. You need to find out over the internet some websites and ask them to give you a vote to your website. If they will give you a vote, now what is the meaning of vote? Vote means, for example, your website URL is xyz.com and other website URL is abc.com. So if ABC website, if they will write your URL, that is XYZ, in their website, like this particular website is mentioning your URL in this content, somewhere in the content. So if somebody will come in this website, just a moment. Okay, so if somebody will come in this website, they will read the content, and while reading the content, if they see the link over here, if somebody will come on this website and if they see the link of your website and if they click on the link, definitely your website will open up. If your website is opening up, it means this website is giving a vote to you. That we call as a backlink. So if one website is giving you backlink, another website is giving you backlink, that is also related to you. Third website is giving you backlink, that is also related to you. You can see the third website over here. Bodybuilding website, bodybuilding website, bodybuilding website. It means all the three websites are gymming website, bodybuilding website, and your website is also bodybuilding website. So if similar kind of website is giving you a vote, then these kind of votes we call as a backlink. And if you are receiving backlink from similar kind of website, then Google will check it, because Google work is to check all the websites Google will come up over here and Google will gonna check each and every single websites. Alright, so as I already told you that yes, if you mention the link in this one, Google will check this website and Google will see that yes, this website is related to bodybuilding, health related website, and they are mentioning the xyz.com domain name over here. It means they are giving a vote to this website. If this is also into bodybuilding and health website, it means both are into same field, and other website is giving you a vote, it means giving you a backlink. Then Google will rank this website link at the higher positions. If it is ranking at the 5th location, it will go to 4th location or 3rd location. That's why you have to receive more number of backlinks, more number of votes from different websites. If you receive the votes from different websites, definitely Google will rank at the higher position of your websites. So the thing is, now the main important thing is from which website you can take a backlink and why they will give you backlinks, why they will give you vote. So there are some methods available over the online platform that you can take a backlink from different websites. As maybe I hope that you have seen that, you might have seen that whenever you go to any website, when you read some content, you will see a link, anchor link, and you click on that, another website open up. So that's we call a backlink to another website. And if somebody is giving backlink to another website rank will go higher, definitely, because Google will check each and every single thing. Google is checking that this website is giving backlink to another website. So for our website also, we have to do the same thing. We have to receive the backlinks. We have to find out some related website. If your website is digital marketing, you have to find out digital marketing websites, and if they will give you votes, your website will go higher in ranking position. So this is the most important part. You have to find out the website and best website. One more important thing I want to tell you. First of all, whenever you are taking backlink from another website, you have to see their quality. What is the quality and what is the relevancy? Relevancy first. It should be relevant to this website, and quality. Because the thing is, some website, like if I talk about NDTV website, so it's a very powerful website, quality website. If any other news website which is very created in 6 months ago or 2 months ago, then it's not a quality website. Why? Because they don't have much content. A lot of people, they are not coming to this website. So the thing is, whenever we need to check the quality of any other website, what we need to do, we have to go to a tool, and through the tool we can check the quality of each website. Means quality, how we can define the quality. Quality means how many content you provide to users, how many pages you created, how many backlinks you have it, how many users come to your websites, and yes, on how many keywords you are ranking, your website is ranking at the top location. This is it, that means quality of the website. So if a good website is giving you a backlink, definitely Google will rank your website easily. If you are receiving backlink from small website which doesn't have the quality, then your website will not rank higher position. It means you need 1,000 of backlink. Otherwise, few website is enough for your ranking positions. Now let's see how we can check the quality of any websites. There's a tool called Moz. So the tool, we will check it. Let's open the Moz tool. Okay, let's come to Google. Here I'll type Moz. Moz is the website. From that we can check DA and PA. DA means quality. Let's check out Moz DA checker. Now what is DA? DA represents the quality of the website. DA means domain authority. Open this website. Alright. As you can see that domain URL search box is over here. We can put the domain name of any website if you want to check the quality of the website. As you can see, I have already logged into the website. Now I'll check the quality of any website. Let's open Learn Digital Academy. Okay, so I want to check the quality of this website. What is the quality of the website? Click on Analyze Domain. Alright, I'm facing an issue over here. It's done. I think I came to the wrong URL. You just need to type here again DA checker. You can see this Link Explorer, they have changed their name. Link Explorer Backlink Checker. Over here, I'll just paste the URL of the website. Even if you want to check the quality of Amazon.com, Myntra.com, NDTV, Times of India, any website URL, you can paste it over here. I'm just checking the quality of this website. Analyze. Now there are two things. One is DA, another one is PA. As I already told you in the slides, DA means the overall quality of the website out of 100. So out of 100, the DA is 26. So it's okay. It's okay website. If you check another website, like if you type twitter.com over here, it will show you 96 out of 100. Because Twitter quality is really good, because a lot of people, they come to Twitter account and they provide good content. But the thing is, if you are buying a new domain name, then if you are checking it over here the first day only, it will show 1 out of 100. If you do some work, if you are ranking the website for 1 year, 1.5 years, then maybe it will be 12 or 15. And if you are ranking on multiple keywords, then it will increase like 30 or 40, something like that. It will take time also, and it will increase the number over here. It means out of 100, if you have above 15, about 12, it's good website. The more number if you get it, it means the more quality you are receiving it. Now the next thing is linking domain. From this website, from this learndigital.co, from this website, how many other websites is connected? So 1700 website is connected to this one. Inbound links, how many backlinks, how many votes they are receiving it. So they are receiving 16,000 votes on their websites. So there is a lot of chance that it can rank easily, because a lot of backlinks are coming up, and it should come from relevant website only. Then this website is ranking on 83 keywords. If I want to see how many 83 keywords, just click on this, and it will show you the number of keywords and the keywords also, keywords phrase also. Let's open it. As you can see, PPC Training Institute in Bangalore. If you type this keyword, it will rank on 3rd location. Learn Digital, 4th location. PPC Course in Bangalore, 4th location. PPC Institute in Bangalore, 4th location. Digital Marketing Training Institute with Placement, 4th location. So there are different keywords. It will directly show the positions over here. It's really good. We can see the position. Let's go back. If I click on inbound links, as I already told you that DA, domain authority, means the overall quality of the website. And if I want to check the PA, means page quality, because the thing is, in website we create different pages. Home page is also a page, another page also a different page. So for each page also we have a different score. So let's click on inbound links. And once you click on the inbound links, it will show you domain authority and page authority. Here you can say, just see that the example of learndigital.co, it's a single page also. And this page quality is 39 out of 100. So 39 is really good. 40 out of 100 you can see. So 40 out of 100, it's a good score. So from this score, if we will give backlink to somebody else, like if this website will give backlink to somebody else, some another digital marketing website, then that particular website will start ranking in Google. Why? Because we are giving a vote. This particular website is giving a vote to another website, and that is page authority is 39. That's really important. If the domain authority is more higher, and if you are receiving backlink from that particular website, like NDTV website, Times of India website, they have 90, 96 DA. And if they have any digital marketing page, and if they are giving you backlink, if they are giving us backlink, then definitely within 2 days or 3 days only we will start ranking, because the DA is really high. So this is how we can check the domain authority, page authority. It means the quality of the page. That depends on the content, the number of users they come on the websites. Let's see. So if I check inbound links, I just clicked on the inbound links. How many other websites is giving backlinks? So these all are websites, they are giving backlink to Learn Digital. You can see this website is giving backlink, this website is giving backlink, this is also. So all these websites are giving backlink to Learn Digital. Alright. And the last option is spam score. Now, if your website is spammy, it will show you the spam score also. That shows in percentage. At this website is 1% spammy. So it's fine. It's okay. 1% is fine. Why the website will be spammy? Because sometimes if you receive the backlinks and that another website is not relevant to you, like I'm into digital marketing and somebody else into bodybuilding, they are giving a backlink, so it's not relevant to us. If it is not relevant to us and still you are receiving backlink, then your spam score will increase. Maybe you are receiving a backlink from advertising website, from a spammy website, from non-relevant website, That will not be good for your website health. It will increase spam score. If your website is be spammy, then Google will not rank your website. So it's very important that whenever you are receiving a backlink, first check out that other website is relevant to your website or not. Then only take a backlink. If your spam score is more than 10%, 20%, then Google will not gonna rank your website. So spam score also we can check it. Main important thing is domain authority. So if you are taking backlink from any other third-party website, type the URL name over here, check the DA. If the DA is good and that website is relevant, ask them to give a backlink. That also, and now we will understand how to take a backlink, from which website we can take a backlink, why they will give us a backlink. So all these points we are going to understand in next videos. But this is just a quality score. From most we can check out, and some other details of keywords and linking domain we can see it over here. Now the other details, what are the methods we can use it, from where we can take the backlinks, all these options we are going to understand in next videos. Thanks for this video. Thanks for watching this.